coffered ceiling in here for a kid's room. Was it royalty going to be living here? Or,
no, it's not, but it's...
Like Prince George?
No.
The future king?
No.
Because it's very elaborate and it's very old world, isn't it?
I wanted to put a bit of the Gatwick spin on it, put a bit of our spin on it, see what happens.
It's like coming into fairyland from what's out there.
Wow.
So I haven't even looked down yet. That ceiling is amazing.
It's very beautiful.
Darren couldn't believe you knocked out a coffered ceiling inside a 48-hour challenge. I can hardly believe it myself. Well done. Amazing. What's going on? What's wrong?
Slow start. Our builder rang this morning. He's bedridden.
What, day one?
Yeah. Day one. Because we had him on the 48-hour challenge. He worked his ass off. The supplies we needed for the tilers we flew in to do the work through the night. The courier truck picking up things we needed broke down.
Hey, babe. Our tiler just pulled out.
No.
Yeah.
So it's bathroom week, and we don't have a tiler, and it's day 2.
Coming in first place with a score of 25.5 out of 30 is... Hayden and Tara.
Best building team on the block.
OK, where are you going? Where are you going to be living?
We think we're going to take this apartment.
That would be apartment 3. This apartment right here.
Yep.
No. What?
No?
I don't know. Can we take a break?
No, look, I'll tell you what. I'll give you 10 seconds.
All right. What do you want to do?
You sure you don't want to take the safe?
I don't know. You decide.
Oh, babe, I don't know.
Acoustics.
Okay, we'll take this one.
We want to take this one.
You're going to take this one? Is that locked in?
It's locked in.
Apartment 3 is yours. Well
Dan,
done.
can I just say, though, you came to me...
I did, yes.
And you started yelling in my face.
I didn't say.
Yeah, you did.
Did you think I was yelling?
there. I was out there.
Takes a lot for me to yell. I said, I think you should go upstairs and ask the girls to do your lagging.
Okay.
Can we go to the replay? I don't think I was yelling.
Sure thing, Dan.
You got to sort out with upstairs. They've got to do more lagging. It's going to take probably 2 hours for them to finish.
Yeah, no, that's right.
You're going to have to tell them it needs to be done, otherwise it's holding you guys up. If you think I was coming across yelling and that, I apologise, but I wasn't yelling.
It wasn't...
I can guarantee
Okay,
you
fine, it
yelling.
wasn't yelling. It was in a very assertive tone that made me feel intimidated.
OK.
So that's not on.
Yep.
Because I don't know anything about building.
Well, this is exciting, isn't it? We are here to announce the winner of Week 1's Domain Prize, which, of course, is $5,000 in cash that you can spend at your whim starting this afternoon, and $5,000 in marketing spend that you can spend on your campaign. Sure.
Oh. The winner for the first time this season of the Domain Prize is... Norm and Jess.
Unbelievable.
Just to have some kind of reassurance that we're on the right track, and just to have someone that believes in what you're doing is just beautiful.